It's here for Mamuni Akwaba, a Bam Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, and there your first time or ha. Subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. Am I Metro Senior Bay will screen the so about screen the so. This is a pepe. Am I Mr. Beba screen the so is here about on the wire, sir. Am I was subscribing and that screen the so. You understand? Now, you understand latest news to say, wait, the Medebas is here. No, very interesting. One Sabeka now and there. Yes, Samini, very unusual of him. It was social media. We better say a day NAC, and then Samini has been going wild at John Dumelo on social media. Na me need baby the same way a free buy. Ye ni ayekai Ubo John Dumelo din na waka V8 penagana phone say Samobe kaya say Embra NDC a free aban mu no abronye DC LED MPP phobia Emma Womoko V8 be a womususu say aban car ena yede ama John Dumelo de ko to fit abi ho se woko spray nti abronye DC ene nkrofobi womoko je sa aka no na sa asem no abeye entam kese che John Dumelo ne entam kese e wo Ghana ha sei che se wo V8 na wo John Dumelo dimpe na amanfo ahya se wo mo sre na minim asem we bibia efia ende Samini what this asem particular sa V8 in same way what they tata John Dumelo sa na mesusu say se me report tremo say new chamber na parliamentary na join say wo si no John Dumelo so you be abo di mutintiman patre say wakasa fa ho say the parliament person mo ye na enye na the first Twitter Samini a tweet here and say we dey here where one of us tried to disguise national assets to become his own just because power was changing sides. This same individual has become rich overnight, like we didn't see how it started. How can you think Ghana youth will ever forgive and forget about this? Yakaipa. Asama John Dumelo, sorry, Samini can say, ya wo my way and you say, ya ye nipa bako. So, okase ya ye nipa bako, a trese, what person trese, memuno, and na say, entertainers no, ya ye nipa bako. Overnight na wabed danisi keni na sa nipa we ya embra aban esesa no we ye na dwen se wo fa inyama bia eye aban de ama ono ne ho so ene ye chi no na Ghana for ye be kai plan. This is the first bomb. Now this first bomb no wambo John Dumelo din nti obi be ka say oh na say we dey wambo John Dumelo din nti ade na wo ka say one John Dumelo o beef monto mobo afi wo be bo John Dumelo din ema one John Dumelo echo back and forth. It's here for now. That is the first tweet I will tweet here. Owie no sanso de so also say V8 was taken for the vanishing, money laughing. You can't explain it, eh? I hasn't so wambo John Dumelo din but wabo V8 na tese nketengete wo yiyi. Send me din kan no wo bia enim de AC between John Dumelo and Samini. All of a sudden Samini has started say wo kasa about John Dumelo. Obia enim de ntia na enumu no ena John Samini esanso etoto small short bi ena obi ebisa ensem wa Samini atro no ena obi bebisa Samini say Samini you and John Dumelo get fight ana na tell say Samini wonu John Dumelo mo ko ana na ensem we ena Samini reply sani pa kono Samini tro say not a fight, Your Honor. It is a bone to pick about an alleged V8 case that his name came up in. We waited for the last of the plenty stories, but to date, not a word. Full story is what we demand, or we will be forced to believe the rumors we heard. All I'm saying. Now, the same way, it happened, I think, 2 years ago. Yes, I mean, can say, you besides, I mean, say, as I say, my work and one board John Dumelo din but Ghana for there, BBC air ko so ayenim. Nipa kwa opese wo kasa fa ne ho. Na yesre wo ne Samini air ko ana. Sorry, wo Samini wo ne John Dumelo air ko ana. And as Samini ka say dabi mesre wo ne John Dumelo yan ko ye, but wo say but V8 case ne de yan kan wie na ende abeda makoma so me pese ye kan wie se eye ntro a John Dumelo mbra bonte no me ka say ye ntro keke. No na mepe. No na mepe eno obi ka say nati your data finish and na just will be bisa Samini say Samini I say and that there is very unusual. And then would data no answer and I say he did the V8 inside, but just enter again. Nobody is there again. That's a send there. Sabini I had to say V8 one semi kwa no beka. V8 one semi kwa no beka. Na ehona Samini sound so better say man is quick with savage responses and jokes when fans go at him about V8. Here I am waiting for that legendary response, or we conclude and set a date for the debate. We both have presidential ambitions, so maybe one of us can go independent now that the streets are confused. The what can I say? What share who follow John Dumelo on social media? Say Nkrofo ekasa efa ne ho a. That is a V8 will be a normal fan be and I will be sa asem we are Samini bisa ya. Like John Dumelo be ma savage response be a say obi abe na just say was straight nipa krona will be sa John Dumelo sa asem no. That is John Dumelo's persona on social media. Unim na wo bisa ne nsɛmfo bia response or the pema no ebe ya se kokun ho because amansan sire a wo mo besere no. And as Samini ka say John Dumelo say na what say afei me Samini me bisa o nsɛm bi say ada na sa response na wo de man Nkrofo na eyo mo so mo kokun mo ho no ada na wo fa sa same response embre me. Still John Dumelo in fino. Still John Dumelo in fino. E wana John Dumelo na nkasa ebe tro ye but John Dumelo antro anfa Samini ho. Asema John Dumelo be tro ye ne say parliamentarians are doing a fantastic job but the chamber is not needed now. The youth are pleading. Hashtag drop that chamber. Not to say John Dumelo be so say Samini de oye ne de mi hu ye because asema John Dumelo atro no emfa Samini hu bibia e wana Samini responde asema John Dumelo atro no that is Samini wa kan ni aboso say ende woni John Dumelo be ye papa na Samini responde John Dumelo and Samini tro say you know hear the matter at all was so yet doing too much. I say we want full story of the V8 case no because most of us still believe you tried to keep a national asset and they came for it based on tip-off. If that's true, do you think it's fair to Ghana? Explain, please. In the summer, John Dumelo can emphasize Samini who or no the work can ask and what person say Samini the oye nyami hu no. And as Samini replied John Dumelo say in summer me tro afa hu nya no say be hu na because me tagel. Na asema ya tini say nanka wu wia Ghana ye japade bi ama beda ne wa wo de. Mesre bra bonten na be explain. E ho na John Dumelo esanso tro bibi. John Dumelo tro say $200 million can build 10 factories to employ 10,000 youth. We the youth are pleading with parliament. Yes, it's necessary, but please don't build that chamber now. That is still John Dumelo person say asema Samini can still hu ye. John Dumelo still ono the chamber asema no can. And as Samini sound so a reply as same way John Dumelo can. It is Samini there. And then the now I just say John Dumelo me no be ye pa. Into no Samini is also reply asema John Dumelo can. Samini say good point. Same way one V8 cost can do wonders in my village, boss. Did you try to keep it or they lied on you, Charlie? Ghana wants to know. It's here for asema any ya time. Na eho ena will be tweeted say he tweeted about this so many times in less than 30 minutes. Who wouldn't even think they are beefing? It is good you call for accountability, but let's mind how we do it. That is will be air tro ama Samini say akwai say send ya wo ye no wo fa John Dumelo ho tan mesrel the wo ye no yes ne kre nsema wo bisa no say ye bisa ba mesre mayen ye no send ya wo ye no because why ye the first one why ye the second just say send ya me video atro no Samini asheda atagi John Dumelo san John Dumelo mfi no ti nipa me person say won fi wa jai na ade na still wo tag no and as Samini replies and nipa we atro say when you call for accountability and you are ignored, it doesn't make the silent one right, my friend. Sometimes people are shy, so they'd rather not. Not just say, they walk and they say, metro, say one bra, and be explaining na on trono. And not just say, well, no, na sem ye do, Mr. Ghana dear, say one kasa, ye say, what sem ye de dabi, and then just say, what sem ye de, it be a, what ferry, so be explaining, and in tia. It's here for, and no, and then sema, a course, na, in chasu wo. So when you say trust over there, master, embrace yourself, wear your seat belt. The trust over afiansa agro ne beye de. Afiansa agro ne beye de. Now Samini is also trying to say, I am non-partisan, so I speak freely, as no political party pays me to rep them. I am here for Ghana's interests, and I'm asking my brother, who boldly represents a known political party, to clear the air about a rumor about him concerning state property. John Dumelo, what's up? That is, was you or no there? Samini, or no, one bar bonte and Mekasa was supporting NDC and MPP. It's in honor the Wakasa. Ni trimu ananadwe mu fan or de kasa. Na wono de rumor e na wate e na wo che don welo say masa brabonten na dey explain as to whether when and as to why Samini thinks this is the right time no obia into me nche. And obi extra ma Samini say Samini you then John Dumelo no be partisan na tell Samini and then when John Dumelo mo yen na fofo ana. And as Samini reply le back no ka say no. I said that be for, but I know him as an actor, turned politician, and a fellow farmer and agriculture enthusiast. One thing we have in common are great and entertainment and fine boy. One thing we don't have in common, political rumors. Not just say, as Samini yebisa and say, only John Dumelo munya na for, and I don't say that be yenya for, but meaning no. Say what your actor ever Ghana has say. Was also than a politician. Was also a farmer. Your name is John Dumelo, a farmer. Now, one thing or no John Dumelo and Samini they have in common. They say, "Omo ye entertainers." 1, 2, womo ye fine boys. 3, womo niya womo agree because Samini so farm. I your friend high grade farms. And John Dumelo so farm. Your friend them say Jemelo farms. So say then that say the 3 things they have in common. They say 1, omo niya womo ye fe. And then they ne kre. Imba ne beka say Samini ni John Dumelo dia womo 2 no womo ye fe. 2, womu ni na womu ye entertainers and also ye nekre. 3, womu ni ya womu ye farmers. And then nsema Samini ekan. Etiefo na eho na eko eba nkrofo afi Ghana fo womu de womu ano etum, womu de womu ano etum. Eho na Samini sanso 2 shots biom or say all of a sudden Mr. John Dumelo is gone for the vanishing eventually. Please call immigration and all borders to lock down all exit. Not just say Samini say all of a sudden after John Dumelo won kasabium. After John Dumelo won kasabium, aden den AC. And Abobika said he's refusing to comment on your tweets. And Samini replied Loka said, but he's on Twitter next time. I say we who now so one person will be reply. And I say minim pan na minim say what Twitter. Now so next time. And therefore Inti wa wo send the assembly kwa wo sha eni ya yenyan eho e na popular Ghanaian blogger Ameya Debra Bobemu e na waka say Samini I found John Dumelo for you e na wo posti John Dumelo picture na we be beka say aden Ameya Debra wo de ne ho ahim unima Ameya Debra any John Dumelo they also have a sort of online beef. Because last be John Dumelo buy and also the Ameya Debra so power truly Ameya Debra ye na Ghana for boaje John Dumelo so njafe da Ameya Debra so hu say John Dumelo ye nya no afi ono so ye dinti ye nya no ntibe nso me ye bi eho and as Samini reply Ameya Debra and oka say thanks my boss I know you'd find him now John Dumelo come here let's finish this why are you ignoring me. Now, this is my last tweet about the V8. I had you can't respond to clear the air and shame liars. It's okay. Maybe intro. I'm going po. Now, and no, and as I mean, the guy say, I don't know, me no ka sound be so be film. We my last tweet. Say, one back MB you want no dia media make up. And I don't know the first time wakasa. Na don't know kasa wakasa no. The oya and say we posti V8. Fresh, mono chia out to say V8 no John Dumelo to en chair 2019 V8. Now sema John Dumelo posted a picture of that V8 and what the caption we saw so was say if you work hard you can upgrade for from a 2017 V8 to a 2019 V8. This is upgrade, not high grade. That to say, after what too short ama Samini, because any name says Samini the high grade family. Nti asema John Dumelo ebe to man no oposti fresh picture of V8 fresher 1 year register aircraft 2019 model. You know say if you work hard, you can upgrade from a 2017 V8 to a 2019 V8. This is upgrade, not high grade. That to say, so who boy Jumaden a so we V8 2017 na we be to me abeto 2019 there. Now we a upgrade and a high grade. Eho and as I mean so betron 17 be a reply so I tweet or say, you've not answered my simple question, Mr. Dumelo. Did you try to keep the 2017 V8 as rumored or not? Did you try to change the car and the sprayer in shop or not? If yes, you are not ready for this, my brother. If no, then just say no, I did not, with proof. That I say, in some of the Dumelo Beka and Yano, and as Samini a reply no, a catch and say, Massa, as Sembisa and Bibisa no still on answer. V8 2017 Diano, where you are watching say who spray now wafa and na and the crack and then the crane so I can't. And as Samini sounds so the child say, you see the guy in answer. It be today as he say John Dumelo no day guard. Told you this is not comedy. The only reason I called you out was because we never got to the bottom of your V8 case as a nation. Not because I support the foolish chamber idea. Bro, don't try Rasta. Naturally say John Dumelo and the response by say Akoya said Samini I support at their parliamentarians yes so only 200 million eco parliament house. Interno no John Dumelo beka wa sema Samini a shed akofa V8 asema ba no. And as Samini reply no ka say massa we hu say ya wadwin eye adwuma. Me bisa wa same way just because as a nation asem we yentumi anka ni nia enwie. Now there you say V asem we enu hunti na America massa enya sa na ete na V8 na asem na America. E ho na Samini sanso e de tia so say once upon a time a national asset V8 was taken to a coded location for spraying and other disguised charges so it could become a private property. John Dumelo's name was mentioned as the one who took it there. My question is, did you do this, John? And you want to shade me? I don't know if Samini Esanso Troy. And Samini Esanso Betro say, you go trade that man, we go see the end of this matter. That's the same way I so Ghana for and they will call Samini ni John Dumelo Womudin air trend or Twitter. Womudin air trend at say butu cry koso. Into no trawadin in our comment box. The same way the media send it to be an more bebremo. Trawadin it for me that say.